So is it true that Marcus has a girlfriend?
No.
Marcus has a girlfriend.
Yes.
Her name is Tina.
Yeah.
Her name is Tina.
No.
Yeah. My man is in love. My man is in love. My man is in love. Yeah. So, do you do like this in front of your girlfriend?
You're not to stop and hit my eyes.
And do you have a girlfriend? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. What did you say?
I don't have a girlfriend.
Yes, you do. Marcus has. Marcus has. And what about you?
I don't have.
You do have a girlfriend. My man is in love. Look at him. Look at her. Look at my man in love.
I am not in love. Are you done? Me not in love.
Me no in love. What are you talking